Okay, guys, am I audible? Confirm. Guys, quickly confirm I'm audible. Fine. Good, good, good. Okay, let's start the session today. So in the previous session, we have covered like if else, nested if else, and we have covered the later else if also, while loop we have covered, do while, we have covered the for loop, everything we have covered. So in this session, let's quickly, try to understand the nested loops. Guys, in Java or in any programming language, we have a nested loops also, guys. Nested loops. What is nested loops? So to understand this, what I can do, let me create one normal, I need like this. I need to print this 4-star. You know, right, how to print this 4-star? Simply you can go for one loop. One loop is more than enough, right? In order to print this 4-star, any loop you can go for. Maybe my favorite is for loop. I can go for loop. Integer I is equal to the initialization. Let me start from 0 or I can start from 1. That's my wish. I can start with 0. Okay. Okay. So I can make it as integer I is equal to 0. The total length I less than or equal to, I can not less than or equal to, maybe I less than, this is my 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Right? So let me make it as I less than or equal to 3. And I a plus plus. That's it. right? I need everything in the same line. Because before understanding this one, I want to teach you one more thing. See, suppose I will write system dot out of println. I'm writing welcome Java training, Java session. Something I have written. Now, if I run this code, you know, right, in my console, I can see welcome Java training. In my console, I can see welcome Java training. And let me write one more line, system dot out of println. And I'm writing, right, welcome Python training. I have written welcome Python training. I have written. Now, if I run this code and you press OK and proceed, welcome Python training. But you know, right, welcome Java training and welcome Python training, it is in different line. How? Because you know the println method, what it will do? What the println will do? See, println it will print a string and then terminate the line. It will print a string and then terminate the line. It means that whenever, okay, whenever see, whenever you use the println, what it will do, right? So whatever the content you are writing, so here I'm writing welcome. Then what will happen? The compiler or the runner, it will write that particular line. And then it will press enter. That's the purpose of println. Println means it will type something and then it is terminating that particular line. Thereby it will move to the next line. The cursor will move to the next line. That's the reason when you write println hi, what will happen? Already my cursor here, it will type something and it will press enter. So that's the meaning of println. It will type something and it will terminate the particular line. But if I use print welcome, what it will do? It will type something and it will not press enter. It will not terminate the line. The cursor is still here. So once again, if you write print hi, what will happen? The hi will be written here only. It will not go to the next line. Are you clear? What is the difference between println and print? What is the difference between println and print? Are you clear? Super. Now, listen. So, but instead of println, if I write print, what will happen? Both you can see it in the same line. Can you see here? Welcome Java training. Next, it is printing welcome Python training. Now, what I'm going to do? I need 4 in the same line. For that, I will write system.out.print, not println. I'm going to write print. So here I'm going to print the star. Now, if I run this code, I can see the 1 star, right? Because here I have uncommented. Uncomment. Now run this code. And you press OK. I can see 4 star, but I don't see any spaces. For that reason, let me add 1 space. And if you run this code, I can see 4 star with a proper space. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Let's quickly confirm. We need to move on. Arvind, Vijayan, everyone, any question so far? Dhanashekhar, yes, good. Surendra, okay, fine. Okay, done. Now, if you need this 4 star, simple, you have used 1 for loop. Again, I need 4 star. Again, I need 4 star. Now tell me, how many for loops we require in order to print this 16 star? Can you tell me? How many for loop we required in order to print this 16 star? Can you tell me? First line I need 4 star, second line I need 4 star, third line I need 4 star, fourth line I need 4 star. Can you tell me? How many for loops we need to print this 16 star? Quickly confirm. One for loop, Ramakrishna. Okay. And then Aravind also saying one for loop. Others? Others, at least you guys try. I'm not expecting the right answer. I'm just expecting whether you are telling something. Tell me. What is your option? What is your choice? How many for loops we require? Kala is saying 3 for loop for printing the 16 stars. Okay. Surendra also saying 1 for loop. Okay. Now listen. Suppose instead of 33 here, I am going to put here 15. 0 to 15 means 16. Now if I run this code, when I press OK and clicking on proceed, I can see the 15 star in the same line, right? I can see 15 star in the same line, but what my expectation? My expectation is in every line I need the 4 star. Then how to write the piece of code? If I need the 1000 star also, I can able to print it, right? I can able to print the 1000 star also. But this 1000 star, is it in the different line or same line? It is in the same line. Is it in the same line? But I need 4 star in every line, each and every line. Am I correct or not? Am I correct or not? Can you tell me? Yes or no? Yes or no? See, using this for loop, we got 4 star. I'm going to use one more for loop now. One more for loop now. Let me use one more for loop. If I print this one, how many star we will get it? Totally, I can see 8 star. But after this for loop, I need a terminate, right? For that, what I'm doing in between, let me write system.out.println. Now, if I run this code, when I press OK, I can see 8 star, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? I need one more 4 star, right? Let me copy this one and put it over there. In between these two for loop, I will write system.println. If I run this code, I can see 12 star. Now I need one more for loop. Let me write system.println. Guys, please be on mute. Okay. Now, same. I can use the for loop. And if I run, I can see 16 star now. But today I need 16 star. I have used the 4 for loops. Tomorrow I need 200 stars. In that case, can I use the 200 for loop or not 200 for loop? Maybe 50 for loop. 50 into 4, which is 200. Day after tomorrow, I need a 2000 stars. That time, I cannot use the 500 for loop, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? I have a question, guys, for you. Now tell me, someone given the right answer, but wait. See, if I want to print 1 star multiple times, which one will print Java? If I want to print a single star multiple times, which one help? Which one you used in order to print a single star into multiple times? Looping, right? We used looping. Either while loop, or use the do while, or you have used the for loop, whatever it may be. But in order to print the single star multiple times, you used while or do while or for loop. The same question I'm asking. Now you need a while loop multiple times. You need the for loop multiple times. You need the do while multiple times. In that case, what should I do? In order to print the system out printer multiple times, you use the for loop, right? Now you need a 4 for loops are available. I want to execute multiple times. In that case, which loop we require? For that also, we can go for what? We can go for looping. Are you getting my point? Suppose I can share my whiteboard. See, suppose I have a many product guys. I have many products. I don't know many products I have. Maybe this is my pen, this is my laptop, this is my keyboard, this is my mouse. Like that, I have a many products. So in order to dump this product, maybe I can have one loop. I can have one big box. I have a box where I have the product. Suppose still you have a many product, means what you can do? You can create one more box. There you can what? There you can have a product, right? Here also we have a pen, maybe a laptop, here we have a keyboard, mouse, headset, everything. And still you have a many product. I can take one more box, and here also I can have it all the accessory items. I can have it here. Now, suppose I want to take this box from one place to another place. But it is difficult, right? 3 boxes if I want to carry. For that reason, maybe what I can do, I can have the big box where I can have all those different boxes here. Thereby, I can easily move it, right? From one place to another loop, another place. The same, guys. Same I'm doing. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I want to print multiple times, I went for looping. This is loop number 1, and this is my loop number 2, and this is my loop number 3. Now, if I have 100 loops, I want to execute once, right? For that, externally, I'm going to create, in outer, I'm going to create one big loop. I'm going to create one big loop in order to process your all the loops. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Now see, in my code, totally I have 4 loops. I'm going to use one for loop in order to process this for loop multiple times. I need this for loop, I want to process 4 times, right? This is 1 time, this is 2nd time, and this is 3rd time, and this is the 4th time. For that reason, let me remove this one. I'm going to create one outer for loop. I will create one outer for loop. I will create one outer for loop, integer, maybe outer is equal to 0. How many times I need to process this for loop? 4 times. I less than 4 and I plus plus. That's it. That's it. Not O guys, I guys. Oh, sorry. That's it. Now, if I run this, see here. Suppose I need 100 times. Proceed. 100 times. What it means? This for loop, I am processing how many times? 100 times. Are you getting my point, or do you want me to repeat? Can you confirm? Guys, I'm expecting at least a response from your side. Am I asking the question? I'm not asking the question. Just a response, yes or no. Wait 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Yes, I'm audible. I'm audible. Can you able to see my whiteboard? Fine then. Listen. Listen. Nothing. Listen. Simple. So initially I need 4 star. Right? I need 4 star. I need 4 star. 1 star, 2nd star, and 3rd star, and 4 star. So in order to print this one, we use, because I need a star multiple times. For that, I have used one for loop, right? I used one for loop, which is for integer I is equal to 0. Maybe this is the 0th star. This is my first star. This is 2nd star and 3rd star, right? And I less than or equal to 3 and I plus plus. And inside the for loop, I have to print on the same line. For that, I have used the system dot out dot print, not printle. Here we used star, and along with it, I need a space, right? For that, I have given the space, then star. That's it. This is one for loop. In order to print as multiple time, we used one for loop. This is you already know. This is your already know. But what is my expectation, right? I need 16 star, guys, or maybe I need 16 star. This is my this is a 0th row. In first row also I need 4 star. In second row also I need 4 star. In third row also I need 4 star. Then it means that already I have done this portion. This 4 star I want multiple time. For that, I'm going to use one more for loop. 1 star, if I want to print multiple times, we use one for loop, right? The same for loop, this for loop, I need how many times? 4 times. If you need this system dot out or print 4 times, we have used one for loop. But this for loop, this time I need 4 times. For that, I'm going to use one more for loop outer time, in outer. Let's start with integer. Maybe outer is equal to, how many times I need? 0th row, first row, second row, third row. 0 is equal to 0 and O lesser than or equal to 3 and O plus plus. That's it. And here you can put one curly braces, here you can print one curly braces. But what will happen, right? This star 16 star will be printed in the same line, like this, star, star. I will get star, 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 like that 16 star will be getting the printed same line. For that reason, once this inner for loop is completed, once this 4 star is getting printed, immediately I need to go for the second line, right? For that outer for loop, I'm adding system dot out dot println. Instead of print, I'm using println. Thereby, once this inner for loop is completed, it will go to the next line. Once again, it will pick the I is equal to 1, it will process accordingly. Are you clear? Am I clear? Can you confirm now? Surendra, let's wait. Actually, to understand the triangle and a lot we have to learn. Later we will go for the pattern that you mentioned in the chat, right? Okay, listen. Listen. Now, okay. Now, same, suppose I will teach you how this works. Like I will put the debug point here because still we need to learn here, right? I can put the debug point and I will debug this. Go to the debug as, click on Java application. Now press proceed. Now see, integer was equal to 0. Was equal to 0. 0 lesser than 100. Condition is satisfied. See, O is equal to 0 here. And 0 lesser than 100, condition is satisfied. Once it is completed, it will come here. It will come to inside for loop. And it will check I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0, okay. 0 less than or equal to 3. Condition is satisfied. Let me make it as 3. This is also 3. Less than or equal to 3. Okay, let me clear this diagram. And let me put it less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3. What will happen here? What will happen here? For integer, O means outer is equal to 0. Outer less than or equal to 3. Outer plus plus. This is outer for loop. And the inner for loop is for integer inner equal to 0. Inner less than or equal to 3, inner plus plus. And inside the for loop, I have written system dot out dot print. Within that, I'm printing inner along with some space. Here I have done system dot out dot println. This is what we have done. So what will happen here? What will happen? Initially outer is equal to 0, right? Initially outer equal to 0, and this 0 is 0 lesser than or equal to 3. Condition is satisfied. It means that condition is true. When the condition is true, it will come inside the inner for loop. It will come inside the inner for loop. It will check inner equal to 0 and 0 lesser than or equal to 3. It is also true. When it is true, what will happen? It will print what? It will print the inner value, right? Inner value is what? Inner value is 0. It will print inner, which is 0. And then what will happen? And then once it is printed, then you are doing inner plus plus. Inner plus plus means 0 plus plus, which is equal to 1. Now inner value is 1, and it will check 1 less than or equal to 3. Condition is true. When the condition is true, what will happen? You can see 0 and 1 will be getting printed. Now inner value is what? Inner value is what? 0, 1 plus plus. 1 plus plus means 2. 2 lesser than or equal to 3. Condition is satisfied. Condition is satisfied. When condition is satisfied, you can see 0, 1, and what will be getting printed? 2 will be getting printed on the same line. Now inner, which is equal to 3. 3 lesser than or equal to 3. Condition is satisfied. Condition is satisfied. Now what will happen? 0, 1, 2, 3. Now inner is what? Inner 3 plus plus, which is 4. 4 less than or equal to 4 less than or equal to 4 less than or equal to 3. And now what will happen? False. Condition is failed. When condition is failed, 0, 1, 2, 3 already available, it will go to the next line. When condition is failed, it will come out of for loop and it will go to the next line. Println, it will go to next line. It will go to the next line. Here the cursor will be now. Done. Now, after outer 0 is done. Outer 0 is done. Now outer plus plus. Outer plus plus means 1. Outer plus plus means 1. Outer equal to 1, and it will check 1 lesser than or equal to 3. Condition is satisfied. Now it will come inner for loop. Inner equal to once again 0. 0 lesser than or equal to 3. Okay, Dhanashekhar. Yeah. 0 less than or equal to 3. And 0 less than or equal to 3. Condition is true. When the condition is true, what you can see? You can see once again, already you have a 0, 1, 2, 3. Now you will get the 0 here. Now you can see the 0 here. After that, inner, it will be 1. 1 less than or equal to 3. And what will happen? You can see 0, 1, 2, 3. Now 0 and 1. And the inner equal to 2. 2 less than or equal to 3. Condition is satisfied. Now you can see 0, 1, 2, 3. And 0, 1, 2. Now inner equal to 3. 3 less than or equal to 3. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3. And you can see 0, 1, 2, 3. Now inner equal to 4. 4 less than or equal to 3. Sorry. Yeah, 4 less than or equal to 3. Condition is failed. When condition is failed, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. And it will go further. Cursor right now here. The cursor is in next line. Now again, it will take outer is equal to 2. The same process will be happen. The same process will be happening. The same way for outer equal to 3 also, the same process. But when outer is equal to 4, 4 less than or equal to 3, condition is failed. That's it. No more work. Nothing. End. This is how your for loop works. Nested for loop works. Are you getting my point? Okay, can we go with now nested while? Let me try with nested while also. Nested while loop. Create a main method. Nested while. What is the while loop syntax? Okay, let me copy this one. The same thing I have to implement. Same thing I have to implement with help of nested while. We'll see. So only with this for loop I'm going to replace by while loop. How can I replace this for loop by while loop? Integer I is equal to 0 while I lesser than or equal to 3, and then system dot out dot println, not println, print. Here I'm going to print I along with some space and I plus plus. That's it. And let me replace this for loop also, right? This for loop also I have to replace by another while loop. Another for loop I have to use now to replace this for loop. I can use it, guys, no issues. Let me remove this. Okay, comment this one. Here also I'm going to comment. Outer I have to use one while loop, right? I will use while, and before that I have to initialize integer O is equal to 0 while O lesser than or equal to 3, and put on curly braces, end with our curly braces. At the end of this while loop, what should I do? I have to increase the value by 1. That's it. Now if you run this code, run as Java application. That's okay. Let's push it. Can you see here? 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3. If you need the star, instead of this particular line, I can put it star. Run this. Press OK. Simple. Same. I have replaced the for loop by while loop. Am I clear? This one, are you clear? Okay. Now, let me replace this while loop by using do while. I can create one do while, nested do while, and create a main method. Same for loop, we can take it, and I'm going to replace by nested do while. Simple. This for loop I'm going to replace by do while. How can I replace this do while? Simple. You can apply the do, and write one while also. Here I'm going to initialize one variable integer I is equal to 0, and here I less than or equal to 3, and here system dot out dot println, and I'm going to print the star and along with a space, and I'm going to increase the value by 1 I plus plus and put the semicolon here. Done. I have done the inner for loop, and I will replace the outer for loop. Let me uncomment. The same step I'm going to write. What I'm going to write? Initialization integer O is equal to 0, and do curly braces, and here replace this curly braces and put it here. At the end of do, I have to write the while, right? While, and old less than or equal to 3, put on semicolon, and I have to write the logic, right? So I have to increase the value by 1, O plus plus. That's it. What happened? Not 0 plus plus, O plus plus, sorry, O plus plus. That's it. If I run this, we'll see whether it is printing. Okay, I made the mistake where okay, here not print, ln, print. Can you see here? I can able to see the output. Simple guys, if you know one for loop, other for loop, just we are replacing with a different syntax. That's it. Am I clear? Guys, whatever the question that you have so far, or anything do you want me to repeat, or anything do I need to specifically explain? Anything you can tell me now. I will teach. I have covered nested for loop, nested while loop, nested do while. Basic I have done. Only syntax I have done. Any question so far, you can tell me. I will explain 1 second. No problem. Any problem or any question? No question. How to use loops for number sequence is in different style as surrendered as Surendra asked. A Kalai that we will cover later. Not this session, later. Okay, wait for a while. So we definitely complete, but not today. First, you should know the syntax. Later, I will tell you. Apart from this, any other question? Others? Everyone, any questions so far? Or we will move on? Okay, we will move then. Right. Now, I will create a new class. Say this is nested loop. Okay, let me make it as one. I will create one for loop. I will create one for loop. That is for. Okay. This one for loop, and I have created another for loop also. Right. So this is for less than or equal to, say I have done 10. Less than or equal to 10. And here I'm going to make less than, maybe what I can do, less than maybe 10. That's also less than or equal to 10. Less than or equal to 10. And what I can do now, and if I write system dot out dot, instead of print ln, I'm going to print here, and let me print j. And I will give you some space also. And after this for loop, system dot print ln, I have written. Now quickly tell me guys, what do you think? What is the output? Can you ping in the chat? What is the output of this particular code? Quickly tell me what is the output of this particular code in the chat box. Quickly confirm. I'm sorry, guys. I was in mute. Sorry. I was in mute. Sorry. So what I said, right? See here. Here I have given the first for loop, right? Outer for loop. That is responsible to tell number of rows. How many rows I need? 0 to 10. 0 to 10 means 11 rows. In each row, I need 0 to 10. So this is responsible to provide the data. Then it means that in 0th row, it will print 11 data. In first row, I will get 0 to 10. In second row, I will get 0 to 10. In third row, I will get 0 to 10. Like that, 11 row, I will get 0 to 10. So when I run, I can see in 11 row, I can see 0 to 10. Is that right? Is that right or not? Yes or no? Okay. See, now suppose I will add one statement here. If j percentile 2 equal to 0, j percentile 2 equal to 0, then I have added break here. J percentile 2 equal to 0, I have added the break. Now tell me what is the output. Can I quickly confirm? What do you think? What is the output? When 0 percentile 2 equal to 0, I have written break. What do you think? What is the output? Even number will display. Priyadashni, I have used break. I have used break. Then how it will print the even number? I have used the break. Then how you can tell like we will get the even number? See, here I is equal to 0. Condition is satisfied. I less than or equal to 10. Condition is satisfied. J equal to 0. Condition is satisfied. J less than or equal to 10. Condition is satisfied. 0 percentile 2. Condition is satisfied. When condition is satisfied, I'm telling break. Break means what? It will break the inner for loop. Break means what? It will break the inner for loop. Now it will take I equal to 1. Then j equal to again 0. Again break. Then inner for loop will be once again got broken. And it will take I is equal to 2. J equal to 0. It is break. Inner for loop will be broken. Then it means that when I print this one, when I print every time, when you print this one, I cannot see anything. Nothing in the console. Can you see nothing? Because every time, when you pick outer value, it got broken. Pritesh, are you clear? Everyone? Okay. For an instance, I will make like this. I will start from j equal to 1. And here we have a 100. And I have written j percentile or not j percentile, maybe. Okay, j. J percentile. I have written 12 equal to 0. Now tell me what is out. What do you think? What is the output? Can you think and tell me? See, I will explain. I is equal to 0, correct? And I less than or equal to 10, condition is satisfied. Now j is equal to 1, that also fine. J less than or equal to 100, that also fine. J percentile 12, it means that 1 percentile 12. 1 percentile 12 means what? 1 percentile 12, the denominator, so the numerator, 1 percentile 12, which is equal to 1 actually. 1 percentile 12, which is equal to 1. 1 equal to 0, condition is failed. Condition is failed means what will happen? It will print the value 1. The next iteration, j plus plus, which is equal to 2. 2 percentile 12, the answer is 2. 2 equal to 0, condition is failed. Now it will print 2. Then 3. 3 percentile 12, the answer is 3. It will break. Again, it will print 3. Like that, till you will get 12. Actually, not 12 guys, sorry, 11. Till 11 you will get it. But when you reach 12 percentile 12, 12 percentile 12 means what? The remainder is 0. Then condition is pass. Condition pass means break. Break means what will happen? Inner for loop will be broken. The next time what will happen? I will be increased to 1, then I is equal to 1 now. For I equal to 1, again it will be pick j equal to 1. Then till you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, I will get 11. Again it got broke. Then I is equal to 2. 3, again 1, 2, 3, 4, again 11. How many times? From 0 to 10. From 0 to 10. It means that totally you will get the 11 row. In every row you can see 1 to 11. In every row you will get 1 to 11. Let me run this code. Let me run this code. Go to runners, click on Java application. When I proceed, see here 1 to 11, 12 times, 11 times I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 to 10. Actually 11 times it should. Why? What happened? Let me check. Proceed. How many time I got? Totally it should be 11 times. 3, 6, 9, 11. Okay, fine. Are you clear, guys? Are you clear? Everyone? I'm expecting answer, or if you are not clear, let me know. 1 second, I will repeat, no issues. This is called as break statement. This is a break. Now, I will copy this. I will create one more while loop, nested loop 2. Where is the nested loop 2? Here. Now, what I'm going to do, instead of break, I will add continue now. I will add continue. So what is the difference between break and continue? See, now I is equal to 0, fine. I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 10, and j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 100, 1 percentile 12, which is equal to 1, 1 percentile 0, which is equal to 1. When I say continue, condition is failed anyway, condition is failed. Now it will come here and it will print 1 now. It will print. What happened? It will print. 1 minute, guys. It will print 1 now. The next time 2, 3, 4. Okay, my pen is not working. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you will get the 11 also. And you will get the 11 also. But when j reaches 12, 12 percent 12, which is equal to 0, then you have written continue, right? Continue means what? Continue means it will continue the loop. Continue means what? It will continue the loop. Thereby, you cannot see the 12 in the console. Thereby, it will pick J value what this time? It will pick J value is 13. Then 13% 12, you can see 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. But when you reach 24, 24% 12 equal to 0. Yes, condition is satisfied. When condition is satisfied, will continue the loop. Thereby, you will not see 24 again. You can see 25, 26, 27, 28 till you can see 35. But when J is equal to 36, condition is satisfied and it will continue the loop. Again, it will continue the loop. Again, you can see 37, 38 till you can see 47. When 48 equal to 0. 12 fours are 48. Thereby again continue. So like that it will happen. When you use the continue, right, it will continue the loop. Can you see in the console now? I will run as Java application. Can you see here? I'm not able to see the 12 right here. I can see 20, but where is 24? I can see 36. Where is 36? You cannot see the 48. You cannot see 60, 63, 64, 65 we got. 66, 67, 68, 70, 71, 72. Where is 72? And you cannot see 84 also. Right. Whatever the number is divisible by 12, that you cannot see it. Are you clear? What is continue? Continue means it will continue the loop. Will you able to understand what is the difference between break and continue? Break and continue. What is break? What is continue? Break means it will terminate the loop. Continue means it will continue the loop. Others? Now tell me, I have written like this. What is the output? What do you think? What is the output? Can you tell me the chat box? What is the output of this code? What is the output of this code? Surendra and Ramakrishna. It is correct actually. Others, guys, it is very simple question. Don't, ask me to wait. Please complete as soon as possible. And Durga also, multiples of 5 will miss and remaining will print till 11 times. You are correct. Durga is also correct. Okay, fine then. Now tell me, I will have one more question. Say that I am cutting this. I am pasting over there. And here, can you quickly tell me? I will see. whether you guys are giving the right answer or not. Can you tell me, guys, what is the output of this code? What is the output of this code? What is the output of this code? Quickly confirm. We'll see whether you can able to tell or not. Hey guys, what is the output? Little bit confusing. Ramakrishna, step by step, please debug. When you debug step by step, you can easily give the answer. You have to try. Otherwise, everything I will tell, right? You will not learn anything. Please try. Step by step, just debug. It is very easy. Yes, no one will give the answer. Should I have to explain? Can I confirm? At least I will start to explain. Otherwise, can I wait? Do I need to wait, guys? Tell me. Guys, it is already 9:35. Others also, do you want me to explain? Ramakrishna saying yes, others? Or do I need to wait? You guys will give the answer. Hey guys, just to confirm. There's a lot of hard work you need, guys. I'm telling you honestly. Please don't waste your time. Please practice your loop. Listen. I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0. Condition is satisfied. I less than or equal to 10. That's also fine. J equal to 1. J less than or equal to 100. Okay. J percentile 5. J means what? 1. 1 percentile 5. Condition is failed, right? 1 percentile 5 means 1. 1 equal to 0. Condition is failed. Condition is failed means it will go to the else block. It will go to the else block. Else block, it's saying continue. Continue means continue the loop. And J is equal to 2. J plus plus means J equal to 2. 2 percentile 5. Again, condition is failed. Again, it will continue the loop. J equal to 3. Continue the loop. J equal to 4. Continue the loop. J equal to 5. When J equal to 5, 5 percentile 5 equal to 0. Condition is satisfied. Now it will print 5, guys. Now J equal to 6. 6 means 6 percentile 5. Condition is failed. Again, continue. 7, continue. 8, continue. 9, continue. 10, condition is satisfied. It will print 10. Like that, 5, 10, 15, 20. Like that, it will print till 100. And the second line also 5, 10, 15, 20 till it will print to 100. The same way 5, 10, 15, 20 and it will print 100 like this. Are you clear? Yes or no? It is very opposite, right? That's the reason I have added the if else condition. Clear or me to repeat? Quickly tell me. Good. Okay. Now suppose, let me write like this. Continue. I'm going to give some name to this loop. Maybe I'm giving like this is my outer, any name you can give it, outer, and I have written continue outer. I have written continue outer. What is this means? See, I is equal to 0, fine. I less than or equal to 10 is fine. J equal to 1 is fine. J less than or equal to 100 is fine. 1% file, condition is failed. When condition is failed, it will come to the else block. Continue outer. Then it means that it will go here. It will go here. Again, it will pick I equal to 1. J equal to 1. 1% is failed, condition is failed. When condition is failed, it will go continue outer. And I is equal to 2. 1% is failed, condition is failed, and it will go outer. Then it means that when you run this code, you will not see anything. Right? Every time you are going outer, then you are not seeing anything in the console. Nothing you can see in the console. Are you getting my point? What is outer? What is this one? Yes or no? Now suppose instead of continue, if I write break, what will happen? Instead of continue, I will write break now. I will write break. See, I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 10, j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 100, j personal file 1, condition is fail, condition fail means else. We are breaking. Which loop we are breaking? Outer loop. Where is outer loop? This is the outer loop. The complete loop is break. That's it. No more I equal to 1, no more I equal to 2. Because we completely broke, right? Outer for loop itself we are breaking. We are not breaking the inner for loop. The complete system we are breaking. So thereby you can't see anything. Right? That's the difference between break and continue. You can go for this kind of break and continue also. This kind of break and continue also you can go for. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Okay. Okay. That's it today. We don't have, that's it. We'll see tomorrow. But before, closing the session, same as usual, I will ask one question. The question I will ask. Tell me, Java is easy or bit difficult? What do you think? Is it easy or difficult? Quick, easy or difficult? If we know that logic, Java is easy. Ramakrishna, okay. What else? Guys, I need your answer. Kalai. Okay, okay. Okay, fine. Others? Be fast. Moderate. Little bit difficult. Okay. Real-time practice. Okay. What else? Others still many to respond. Quickly respond, guys. Is there any free website where we can resolve problems on our own? Many website Kalai. Go Google, just type Java practice like that. You will see the many URL. From there, you can get many, looping mechanism and all that you can get it and solve it. And if you want, I can send you through WhatsApp link also. But again, I will send you a few links, no issues. Others, any concern? Tell me anything needs to improve from my side, or the way to explain that I need to change from my side. Anything you can tell me. Or the way of teaching that I have to change it. I have to slow down, or I have to take more demos, guys, but it will take some time. It is all based on logic. Again, you guys are giving the right answer. The thing is, need more practice, and you should do the hands-on. And along with that, you have to solve more problem. Java is easy when you practice. Java, it is not that much easy. It is very difficult if you are not practice. Like always do practice, always do some kind of logical thinking and all. Definitely you will love Java. Right? So that's it today. Thanks for your time. Tomorrow we will come up with other topics. Okay. So as of now, we have covered the looping and control statement. Tomorrow, we just going to enter with some theoretical topic, which is an object-oriented programming. We will start object-oriented programming from tomorrow. So far, we have done 7 sessions, right? The first day we have done Java introduction part that we have done. Second day, I have covered variable and data type and naming convention and all. Third session is more on, I think, operator. Fourth day also I have done operator. And the fifth day is control statement. Sixth day is the control statement. Seventh day, it is also control statement. So in the tomorrow session, I am going to start object-oriented programming. We will cover what is object, what is class. The next 5-day session, it is very, very important. I'm going to cover object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. All those 6 concepts will be covered in the next 4 to 5 days. Once it is completed, we will go for some advanced topic, like what is meant by array, what is meant by string, what is meant by collection, what is meant by exception handling, what is enum. That advanced concept along with the JDK 1.8 feature, everything we will cover the upcoming session. But next 5 days, I'm going to talk about the object-oriented programming. Maybe once the Java session is completed, a later point of time, we will have how to solve the different Java program, the logical thinking, everything we will cover later. That's it today, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.